Today we're going to install this brace thingy. I don't know what is it called exactly, but it's the one that it's inside here. So we're going to cover it in blue so it doesn't look grey. What I've done is I've removed the weather stripping. Just put it out from here. Just pull it out. It was along this groove all the way until the end. And then next you need to remove this, and then this screw and that screw, the last. It's a good idea to make a marking before you remove these last two screws, because this will align your bumper to your hood and you don't want to have a misaligned hood. So I've already removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Actually there's supposed to be one here if I'm not wrong, but I don't know why it's missing. There's no screw hole, so 5 plus 2. Okay. So now I just made the marking ready. Now I'm going to remove the last two. Okay, so the 5 are T20s. I think the last one is T10 because they seem to be smaller. Let's see, yeah, T10, right? They are T25. Oh, then that means these are T30s. T25. So the reason why you want to remove all these screws is so that you can remove the top portion of the bumper. I think they are secured by these clips. So what I need to do is push back the clips. So the clips has been removed. All you need to do is push the bumper forward. So you might want to start from the side, it's a lot easier. You got some light, so gently remove the top portion of the bumper. I am doing this for the first time, so I'm actually very scared. So removing the bumper is a lot harder than I expected. So what I did is I pry my hand underneath and remove the grille itself. So for the grille, what you want to do is you want to push the clips in, then you push out. At the same time, your other hand will hold onto it from the outside to apply pressure so it doesn't clip back in place. So you do that all around. This one you can leave it to the last. This portion you can leave it to the last. You slide out. So right now I'm just going to put this inside right now. From the grill area. This is the first time I'm doing this. So all you need to do is just push this in. This is a bit tough to do with one hand earlier, so I had to use 2 hands. So just place here, push the whole thing in. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So I can get a good angle here. Because I didn't remove the other grill. Oh my god, that's so hard. Just a little. Okay. The thing is, you don't want to push all the way. Don't push all the way to the side because I think it expands out. Let's see. Oh no, it's okay. That looks good. So once you're done, put the grill back. I wasn't planning to do this until I got a new grill, but what the hell. So putting the grill in is easy. Just put it in place. Snap, 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 snap. It's secure. I probably think I should have checked before I put back the grill. Oh man, I made it dirty. So my hands. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to put back these screws first. You see, lucky I marked them already. You don't want to miss the align the right thing. Oh, sorry, I forgot. See these things? Slide it back into the slide the bumper back. Okay. Hold pressure while you insert the screw. Use hand first. Make sure you align the screw again. The screw hole. Man, it's really a 2% job actually. Yeah, screw it in already. They are sort of aligned. They look aligned, right? They look aligned, yeah. What about this one? Some push a bit in. Let me adjust it. Yes, aligned. And the rest of the 5 screws, what you want to do is just screw them in hand tight only. Don't tighten them first until you put everything in. Let's do a long video. So what you want to do is you want to start from the middle, right? So that there's an outward pressure. Just a little tight only. A little tight. Not overly. But you have to be careful because you don't want to break the plastic underneath, so don't be too tight. Now I'm going to make it even tighter. Control. Okay, this should be done. So for the weather stripping part, what you want to do is you want to fold it in half gently up with one hand. Gently fold in half. Okay, in order to find the midpoint, which is about here. Okay, you want to apply this midpoint. Easy. Too much stripping here. Adjust a little. Shipping done. There you have it. Next thing is to change the grill. Okay, earlier in the video I made a mistake. So the white screws, right, the 5 screws can be removed by T27. Okay, T27. And the black one, the two screws that align the top part of the bumper to the hood, T25. Yeah, this is mentioned in the video earlier. It's correct. So only the white screws are wrong. It's T27, not T20, not T30, T27.